Are you an Indian green card holder or H-1B professional dreaming of U.S. citizenship? The rules just got tougher. USCIS has rolled out a new 2025 naturalization test that's more demanding than ever. And if you're on the journey from H-1B to green card to citizenship, this directly impacts you. To qualify, you must be at least 18, have permanent residency for 5 years or 3 years if married to a U.S. citizen, and maintain continuous residence plus physical presence for at least half that time. For example, 30 months out of 5 years or 18 months out of 3 if married to a citizen. For many Indians stuck in backlogs, even reaching this stage is already a milestone. Then comes the test. You must speak, read, and write basic English, show attachment to the U.S. Constitution, and pass a civics test. Here's the 2025 update. There are now 128 questions. You'll answer 12 out of 20 orally, and new topics include the 10th Amendment, the Federalist Papers, and U.S. innovation. That means more preparation, especially for busy Indian professionals juggling work and family. The process starts with Form N-400, where you'll prove continuous residence, physical presence, and good moral character, meaning no serious crimes, unlawful voting, or false claims to citizenship. There are a few exceptions. Applicants 55 or older with 15 years in the U.S. may skip the English test, and those with disabilities may file Form N-648. But for most Indians, the full process applies. Why does this matter? Citizenship gives you the right to vote, sponsor family faster, protection from deportation, and freedom from renewals. For Indians waiting decades, it's more than status, it's security. Drop a comment saying future citizen if this is your dream, and subscribe for more real updates from Immigration Talk Show.